What's going on, guys? I just came back from picking up some new wheels for the truck. You guys see them in a little bit. I'm pretty excited. They're gonna be 20-inch Texas Edition wheels. They look really badass. They're right here in the back. You guys see right there? Yeah, it's gonna make the truck look a whole lot better. I can't wait for you guys to check it out. All right, guys, so there's a truck right now with the stock wheels. These are the babies that are gonna go on it. What's going on, guys? So I didn't get a chance to show you guys the wheels that day because it got dark once I installed them, but here's the wheels. Here's the finished product. I think it looks amazing. I think you guys would think the same, but here you guys go. All right, guys, so here's the truck. Here are the wheels look on it. I think it makes it look a whole lot better. Changes the whole look. Damn. There's some 20-inch Texas Edition wheels. So shout out to my girl. She got me this little sticker right here. Remember, guys, subscribe, share, and comment. Like the video. Really appreciate it. Man, I just can't get over how good these wheels look on it. And then when I drop it, I'm dropping it soon. With the drop soon that I ordered, man, it's gonna look nice. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I think the truck looks so freaking nice with these wheels. I do have shocks coming in soon. They should be here maybe this week. I'm going to be installing the 4-inch drop I have in the back to lower it, you know, to level it out a little more. So I think it's gonna look even way better once I drop it. Yeah, we're gonna go check out the new motor I got for the truck. I forgot to tell you guys, but I went to go pick up a new motor the other day and went all the way to Rockford, which is a 2-hour drive from Chicago. You know, I'm dedicated to this truck. So we're gonna go later on to my cousin's house to go check it out so I can show you guys everything on it, how it looks, what we're gonna do to it, and yeah, guys, stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, guys, so I was gonna wash it there, but I'm gonna end up washing it in my house. I went and bought some stuff. Bought this right here. I bought this little towel. Got this little dryer towel for the tires, for the rims. So we're gonna end up cleaning it right here in the house. You see that wheel cleaner's coming in to work? You see that? I'll change this color. All right, let's see how good this Meguiar's tire shine is. final product. That looked pretty good. Alright, this is how the truck came out cleaned. Wheels looking extra crispy. I know it took earlier to get washed, but I didn't clean it at all. But now I cleaned it at home, get my way better. Just waiting on those shocks that I ordered for the back so I could put in the drop crate in the back. It's gonna look real badass. Yeah, I just finished washing my truck, but in a little bit we're gonna go to my cousin's house. That's where I dropped off the new motor that I got for it. Super excited, can't wait for the truck to be rumbling with the new cam I got for it as well. This truck is gonna be real badass. Next, after all this is done, it's gonna be paint, and man, it's gonna look really, really nice. I can't wait. What's going on, guys? Just got here to my cousin's house. Came to check out the new motor. Gonna show you guys how it looks. So this is the motor I picked up, guys. This is the 5.3. It's in pretty good shape. This is the stuff that I'm putting on it. This is the heads. This is from the cam kit that I got. This is an oil pump that I'm putting on. This is the cousin's new motor for his Trailblazer SS. Looking badass. You get the PRC heads on there. This is the other build that's coming. I'll leave his Instagram down below if you guys want to follow his Instagram and check out his builds and all the work he does. This is his new truck that he just bought. It's pretty badass. And this is his little SS right here. And that's him right there. This is his Trans Am. Pretty clean. Got that T-top. He got all those, and then he still got this Silverado right here. Check out the back. I'll blow your damn head off. So. Okay, so here's a little test, a little demo of how the truck's gonna sound. Go on. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you guys like how the truck came out. I think it looks badass with the new wheels. I hope you guys are excited as I am for the new motor coming soon. I'm pumped. I'm real pumped. This week I think I'm going to be ordering the stall for the trans, and I think this week also my shocks and gasket kit should be coming in for the new motor. So stay tuned, guys. Next video should be me installing the drop kit on the truck, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you.